All right, Crouton Ramon's House of Math. Here is a peek behind the derivation of pi r square page. Lots of different ways to look at the same thing. Where basically I show you in 10 minutes or less how to find and derive pi r squared. There's one way to look at it. Here's another way to look at it. What are we basically going to do? We're basically going to do length times width, right? Where r is one of the lengths and pi r is the other length. So concept number 3, we form rectangles to facilitate counting. That's it. There's only 5 concepts. Here's little boys. Here's a quick 6-minute screencast. Here's 5 minutes or less. Here's 1 minute. Okay, so don't watch this. Or actually, maybe watch this first and then come back to the others. But after you've seen it a couple times, it'll start to make sense that, yeah, all we're doing is forming a rectangle. And I show you how to do it and make lessons. So, because we can't just start right here, we have to work our way up to it. So, with little children, we need to know about rectangles and triangles and all kind of stuff before we get here. But this will help. Okay, so here is a little more on, look, we need to know about pi r squared if we're going to find rectangular solids. And then here's some off-site video that is fantastic. I can't say enough about this guy. He has grown. When I was first making these web pages way back when, he had like 1 million followers. He's got like 7 million now, and it's well deserved. But now he has so many videos, might be difficult for you to find things. But basically what this guy's going to do is show you it a different way, a completely different way. And it leads to calculus, because what he's going to show you how to do is summation, because we're going to take that and sum up all of these little pieces. And what, that sounds like a job for calculus to me. And he'll show you how it works. All right. Crouton Ramon's houseofmath.com. For more, this right here is all by itself. You probably have seen pi r squared. Well, actually, cornbread r squared. But nobody ever showed you why pi r squared. So what you're really looking at is just length times width. All right. Crouton Ramon's houseofmath.com.